I'm on YouTube, so I must be earning thousands of pounds from this video, own an amazing house and an amazing car. Well, no. To be monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Here's my analytics, and you'll see that we're quite a way from that. But once we've hit that milestone, we're monetized. Woohoo! And YouTube will pay us $2 to $20 per 1,000 views, depending on the content we're creating. I get it that you're asked to like or subscribe every video, but here's why. Liking a video means that that's shared out to more people. And subscribing to a channel means that when the channel produces a new video, YouTube knows exactly who to show that new video to. That hopefully the subscribers will watch it and like it. Crazy.
Clever, clever.
But why are we on YouTube? Back in summer of 2024, I was unfortunately made redundant. This is now November 2024. So while I deal with interviews and the obvious rejections, my girlfriend and I decided to start a YouTube channel, mainly for my sanity. I love to be creative with cooking, and now I get to be creative with editing. This is my passion, but I'm also having to buy the ingredients to make these videos myself. I would love to make this our full-time job. Look, I know we're creating videos that are like a 5-year-old creating art, but we all need to start somewhere.
Guys, it's currently October 4th, 2015.
We need to improve the scripting, the editing, the thumbnails, the titles, and a whole lot more. Think of it like a free crowdfunding project. You don't need to put down any money. All I need is 1,000 people that view this video to hit subscribe, or at very least to like the video so it can be shared out to more people. Give me feedback in the comments about what you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video, or where it got boring, or the thumbnail, or the title, or anything to make a better video the next time. All we need you to do is like or subscribe. Will you help me? Thanks for watching. Do 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 do.